Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are discussing on string packages in Automation Anywhere A360. So we have already covered introduction to A360 message box variables and data types and what are all the types available in Automation Anywhere A360. We are discussing in string package. So we have already covered few concepts like uppercase, lowercase, assigning, variable creation, and finding the length of the string and all. So in this lesson we are going to learn another options or commands available in string package, and also you can practice, and I will assign a task to you. Please practice from your end and let me know if you have any queries or concerns, uh, or while developing a task. If you face any issues, please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you with the required details, or I'll try to make another video on your queries. So let's get started. So today we are going to cover all remaining string operations, and also we are going to implement um creating a captcha dynamically. So let's suppose whenever if you are transferring money in a bank account, or if you are logging to any secure web application, you need to enter the captcha. So captcha is a dynamic click. It will available, and it will change dynamically in any web applications. So today we are going to generate captcha dynamically. So we can also captcha and OTP is different. So captcha is a combination of numerical and characters, but OTP is suppose only number data types. The OTP might be 5 digits or 6 digits of number. So we are going to cover both OTP and CAPTCHA in today's session. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn assign and reverse. And also we are going to cover the real-time concept, something like generating CAPTCHA. Sorry, generating OTP or CAPTCHA. Okay, let's see. So CAPTCHA is it's a combination of alphanumerics, like something like CAPTCHA. Sometimes you may get small c, capital C, 3, 4, E. This is how it is going to generate a captcha dynamically whenever if you are trying to log into a secured web application or banking, internet banking. Also, sometimes you may see the captcha, or sometimes you may see the OTP. OTP is a numerical digits, something like 1, 2. This is how it is going to generate a OTP. So this is the main difference between CAPTCHA and OTP. So in this session, we are going to cover assign activity and reverse activity, and we are going to focus on CAPTCHA and OTP generation dynamically. So let's see. Let's get started. So let me clear all the existing code and let me drag and drop assign. So we have already covered how to assign a variable by using variable panel. So we have created a vname variable by assigning some specific value to the variable. So this is the second way. By using actions and a string command package, we can assign by using the string action. So here I am going to assign let's say A360. I'm going to assign A360. So here what you can do, you can assign the output to a already available variables in the variable panel, or else you can create a new variable by clicking on new variable. So here you can see that whenever if you click a variable from here, you no need to provide the data type explicitly. So we have already covered this concept in the previous session. So let me assign variable name as v reverse. So we are going to find reverse to here. So let me click on save. So I'll use message box to display the value. Message box. This is how we can assign any value to a specific variable in the string data types. So a string data type package allows alphanumerical and special characters. So let me click on insert value and let me choose v reverse. Let me click on insert. So let me save. In order to run this task, we need to click on run button. So let me click on run button. This is how we can assign a value to a variable. In a real time, we are not supposed to hard code any value in the variable component or by using an operation. So our value, if to assign it to a variable dynamically, we need to read the value from either CSV file or Excel file or XML file. So in the upcoming sessions, we are going to cover CSV, Excel and PDF and CSV packages. So there we are going to learn more real-time scenarios, concepts, how to read the value and assign the value to a variable dynamically. So here you can see A360 value is assigned to a variable. So let me click on close. Now what I will do, I will perform reverse operation. So let me go to string and let me drag and drop reverse. So F2 or me choose reverse. I assign the output to the same variable only. Let me click on save. Let me copy paste the message box and let me drag and drop it to here. So let me run this task again. So it will reverse the given string. So here, right? So it will reverse like 063. Let's see. So this is our actual input. And here you can see the reverse output 063A. This is how we can perform assign activity and as well as reverse activity. So let's suppose if you want to replace something. Okay, so let's go to the source string and you can provide the source string and you can find what are the keyword you want to replace. So please practice from your end and please try work with other remaining options like find activity, generate random string. So please try to convert the string data type to boolean data type, number data type and trim. So trim is nothing but if you want to remove trailing and leading spaces in a given string. And you can also try all these different options and let me know if you face any issues while developing this code. Please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to provide a required details or I'll try to make another video on remaining concepts. So today we are going to focus on real-time concepts, that is generating a random captcha or OTP. So let's get started. So first of all, what we'll try to do, we'll try to generate a captcha. Okay, so to generate a captcha, we need to go to string package. Why? Because so it is a combination of alphanumeric. So it contains string data types and numeric data types. It only supports string data type, only supports both the things. Okay, so let me go to string and let me drag and drop generate random string. So let me sorry let me drag and drop generate random string. So in this string, so here you can choose the length. uh, Basically the captcha length would be 5 characters or 6 characters. So let's say 6 and let me assign it to vname for time being and let me click on save. Okay, so now let me use message box to display vname. So let me click on vname and let me insert. So let me save and run this task. So whatever the task you have implemented, so it will automatically generate captcha with a 6 digit. It includes both alphanumeric characters and capital and small letters. Let's see. Let me click on run. Now it will generate this is dynamic captcha. So here you can see H, M, Z, U, E, J. It includes both small letters, lowercase letters, and uppercase letters. So let's try to run this task again. This time it will generate another captcha dynamic. See. So here you can see it is the combination of numeric characters. You can see Z and B lowercase letters, 3 is numerical digit, and Q and M are again uppercase. This is how it is going to generate capture dynamically. Even in real time, so they are going to follow the same rules and restrictions to generate a captcha. So here we need to provide any combination of case for numeric. So it will automatically generate all things. Okay, so only one thing you need to provide over here, that is length of the captcha. So how many characters you want to generate as a captcha, that is only the thing you need to provide as a input over here. So remaining things, Automation Anywhere A360 itself, uh, this time it's going to generate another captcha. Letter C is lowercase and one, and E is again uppercase letter. So let me click on close. So this is how we can generate a captcha by using a string. So let's suppose if you want to generate OTP. So OTP is all are numerical data type characters. There is uh, it will a character while generating a OTP. So most of the times in while transferring money or any banking transactions, we can see OTP thing. So we will learn OTP, how to generate a dynamic OTP now. So in order to generate a OTP, we need to go to number package. So we are going to cover number package in the upcoming session. So as of now, we have covered message box variables data types, and we are still in string data type only. So in the upcoming sessions, we are going to cover Boolean, number, dictionary, all data types. So in the number data type, again, we are going to discuss all these things. So you no need to worry. But so for time being, what we will do, we'll generate a OTP. Okay, let me go to number data type, and here you can select random. So here you can provide the range. So from where you want to start and how to start all these things. Okay. So accept decimals and negative values including in the range. So it accepts both the decimals and negative values as well. So let me provide 1 to 10. Let me provide 1 to 10, and let me assign it to a output variable v length. So let me use message box to display the OTP. So we have already discussed message box only supports string data type. It won't support number data type. So to convert the number to string, we need to use toString functionality under number package. So under number package, what you need to do, you need to use .toString functionality to convert from number data type to string data type, and here you have to provide your number, that is VLAN, and you are going to assign it to a output variable prompt assignment to display. So let me press functional F2 and let me choose prompt assignment. So this concept already we have covered in previous session. So let's suppose if you want to display number data type directly without converting from number to string explicitly. So let's see how we can use. So we can avoid one line of code. This is very important for a developer. We need to reduce the length of the code. Okay, so then it should be precise and it should work as expected. So we should try to reduce the number of lines in the code. So then without using .toString functionality, how we can convert number to string, I'll show it to you. So just press dollar symbol, and then what are all the type. Here we are display number data type, right? So v length. Here before this the dollar symbol, you need to press dot to string functionality. So then it will automatically convert from number to string in the message box display command itself internally. So let me click on save and let me run this task. So it will generate a OTP. Let's see. So in this session, we have already covered how to generate a captcha and how to generate a OTP and also covered string command package. Please try to sorry, it is generating only one character. Let's see. So how to generate a six character or six digits. So it is generating single digit OTP, but our target is to generate 6 digit OTP. So here, what we can do, we can append this output to generate a 6 digit, or else what we can do, we can provide a range over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 99999. So this is how we can provide the range to generate a 6 digit OTP at a time, or else what we can do, we can append each and every single digit into 6 times and we can display the OTP. So this is the easiest way to generate 6 digit OTP by using number package. So let me click on save. In order to run this task, we need to click on run or debug. So let me click on run. Now this time it is going to generate 6 digit OTP dynamically. So every time, whenever if you run this task, generate a random. Okay, here now it is 971197. So it, now we are able to generate 6 digit OTP. Let's try to run it once again and the OTP. Let me know if there's any issues. Please do a message comment. Okay, so now we're generating 193,903. So we have learned how to generate a OTP and captcha. How to okay, so we can also implement real-time concept like how validate OTP. Let's suppose if you are trying to log in many banking websites, or you are trying to perform transaction in the bank website is going to generate OTP. So we have covered how to generate a OTP as of now. Then later end user is going to provide, or he is going to input the OTP number in that particular input box. So back end bank is going to validate whether the OTP is matching with the generated OTP or not. So that validation also we can perform in Automation Anywhere A360 by using if conditions. So as per our agenda, we are going to cover each and every topic. So we have covered message boxes, variables, data types, and next topic we are going to cover folders. Under loops and if conditions, we are going to validate this OTP. So whether the entered OTP and generated OTP are matched or not. So we are going to cover each and everything. So here we are going to learn fundamentals and basics of the Automation Anywhere A360, and parallelly we are also working how to implement these concepts in real-time scenarios as well. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new videos and series on Automation Anywhere A360. I hope you are able to understand what is data type and what is variables, how to declare a data type variables, how to assign the required value to output variable, how to generate a OTP and captcha. Please practice and let me know if you face any issues. Please subscribe and share it to your friends who are ready to learn Automation Anywhere A360. Thank you.